Okay, Dr. Huebner, I am so excited to be here with Dr. Ron. Dr. Ron is here 1 year after his surgery with us here at Natural Transplants, and he is excited to show his results, and I'm so grateful that he's showing other people. I know this is going to help somebody in their research, but I wanted to hear from Dr. Ron, how his experience was from start to finish, and note that he actually had a procedure at another clinic prior to coming to us, so he's kind of comparing his last experience and this experience. So Dr. Ron, take it away and just tell us what you think of your experience.
So like Dr. Mack just said, a year ago I came here. I had actually gone to my previous surgeon, and it was like an in and out. He gave me a really quick shuffle, so to speak. And so I met with Dr. Matt, and he gave me a lot of time and a lot of explanation, and I was very happy with how that went and the follow-up with the staff. And then we were scheduled for surgery. The surgery went well, although I was a little concerned because a lot was cut away before it was put back. But anyway, got pictures before and after, and had no pain afterward, no swelling. Everything went very well. So that was great. I've come in several times for follow-ups. This is my last one. And again, a lot of time that Dr. Matt has spent with me. And again, I got a really good result hair-wise, and also just to compare it with a previous surgeon and a surgical experience where I really wasn't, it was almost like a hit and run. 2 weeks after the surgery, I was seen and that was it, and I was forgotten. And here it is a year later, and I've seen him 3 other times. This is my 4th time. So I highly recommend the office, Dr. Matt, personally and professionally, and it's all good. I'm a happy patient.
Amazing. Thank you, Dr. Ron. I'm just going to showcase your results if that's okay.
Sure.
So I'm going to just do a bird's eye view, and I'm going to put the before and after so you guys can really see the difference. But look at the difference between the top of his head now. And he had a lot of these areas in the front. His profile is much more youthful. You can really see the nice thick coarse hair that he has, and he's going to have a hard time staving the women off now. And then I'm just messing around with it. He's happily married.
46 years.
That's right. His wife's going to watch this video. Sorry. And that's the crown. So we talked about the crown before was a much bigger area. And this area that we're sort of seeing right now is sort of the center of the hurricane, the eye of the hurricane. Everything's shooting away from that area. But you can see the difference even, before and after with that. So, and his scar is almost impossible to find in the back. We might do a smaller case. He's thinking about it. So maybe do a little tennis ball area just to fill that in a little more. But if he never had another surgery, this is a home run, and I'm super happy for him. But thank you, Dr. Ron, for telling the story and your experience, and wear your hair in good health.
Thank you. It's all good. I highly recommend the practice and Dr. Matt.
Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.